Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KyraJay, and today you guys I will be doing a highly requested video. I posted a TikTok on my Instagram and Twitter of how I did my press-ons, and you guys went crazy over them. I had so many people asking me what I used, how I did it, so I decided to make a full video on it, and I delivered, had to, because you guys, like, I prejudged press-on nails for so long. Like, I was dodging them. My mom kept asking me if I wanted to do them. I'm like, no, like, those are cheap, they're gonna fall off. But I finally gave them a try because I got tired of having little boy hands, and they're really nice. They're really nice, actually. They look like I got my nails done at the salon, you guys. Like, and there's so much versatility with them. Like, literally, guys, I didn't show you in the video, but this is my little box with all of my nails. Can you see that? How cool is that? Like, I could be like, ooh, I want to wear blue today, I want to wear red today, you know? So there's so much versatility, and on top of that, it's just a lot cheaper. I think that it's a small investment to make, but I feel like, you know, over time, you won't have to go to the nail salon every 2 weeks. If you want to save some money, you can do your nails at home. So yeah, I honestly think press-ons are low-key the way of the future, at least for me, because I'm not gonna lie to you, you guys may not see me in another nail salon for possibly ever. But yeah, so you guys, if you want to know how I got my nails like this, then keep on watching. Oh, and did you guys notice that I tried to make my nails match my makeup? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my hands in some water so I can give myself a mini manicure. I think that one of the most important steps of doing DIY nails is making sure that you have a solid foundation, a clean foundation, which means, you know, cut cuticles and making sure that your cuticles are pushed back. Oh, and I'm also going to be filing my nails, but not a lot just because I don't feel like I need to. I'm just making sure that my nails are even.
I can hardly wait, no. I cannot wait to see you. I cannot wait to see you. No. I cannot wait to see you. No. I cannot wait. No, I cannot wait.
So here are the nails I'm going to be using. These are the clear coffin nails that I got from Amazon. They are really long, but I believe that the company has different shapes as well as lengths. And they actually come in this bag that I'm about to show you guys right here. But I put them in the box just to organize them by size. And inside the bag, they come with like little numbers on the different packages so that you know which sizes are which.
What you trying to do? You say come on through, cause you just got home. Girl, I'm in my car, it won't take me long. You say shower's running, you gon' hop on in.
So now what you're going to do is decide which press-on nail matches your actual nail size. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you get the nail that is closest to your nail size, like pretty much close to perfect, because if the nail is too small, for instance, you're going to be able to see that on the side of your nail, and it's going to be apparent that you have on a press-on. And same thing goes for if it's too big, it's just going to look weird. So just make sure you're getting close to perfect. And I also like to organize my nails like this so that I know which press-on nail belongs to which finger. It just makes it really easy. The press-on nails do come with the numbers on the nail, but it's really small, and it would just be really annoying to have to do that. So I like to organize it like this. And what I'm doing right now, I'm just filing down the tip of the nail, because it does come with like this really weird tip that you have to file down. You can do this before or after you paint your nails, but I just want to do before. Now this next step is really optional, but I saw Alyssa Ashley do it, and she said that it helps the nail to stay on longer, so that's why I'm doing it. And it's pretty much just taking a manicure drill and drilling the inside of the nail to kind of roughen it up. Apparently that's what helps the nail to stay longer. Like when you go into a nail salon and they buff your nail, that's because it helps the nail to stay longer. So I didn't know that, but that's what I'm doing now, just to see if it helps. And if you are doing this step, make sure you do it before you polish, because if you don't hold on to the nail like taut enough, the drill will go all over the place and you're gonna mess up the polish. Like I've done it before, so just make sure you're doing it before the polish. So I'm going to be using the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit, and it comes with the LED UV lamp. It comes with all the colors of your choosing, and a base coat, a top coat, and a matte coat. And then it also comes with a nail separator, files, a cuticle pusher, a nail brush for your toes and your hands. It also comes with a cuticle oil too, but I don't know where I put it. And then we also ordered a whole other box of all these different kind of colors, and I just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like. And it's just 3 rows of all your colors.
I cannot wait.
So you guys, this is what's gonna make your nails look from DIY to professional. So I'm taking these nail stands right here and this double-sided nail tape. I don't know where I got the nail tape from, but I'll put it in the description box. And I'm just putting it on each stand, and we're gonna eventually put our nails on those stands, as you can see me doing right here.
She said she fucking with me. I said, what you trying to do? Is you trying to make moves? Is you trying to just chill? She said, can I keep it real? I said, oh yes, please do. She said, we'll do what you want to.
So now I'm starting with the base coat, and I'm just coating my nails. And I lost the footage of me putting it in the UV lamp, but I put it under there for 90 seconds. The instructions say to put it under there for 60 to 90 seconds, but I just want to be on the safe side, so I chose 90. It also doesn't have a 90-second button. It has a 60, a 30, and a 120 second. So now it's time for the actual color, and it's really easy. You just want to make sure that you have a really smooth application, and you want to make sure that you're getting the sides and you're not missing any parts.
You getting how I feel. She said I just try to keep it real. I said I try to do the same. Keep it 100 and play no games. She said that's how she roll. I said that's how I roll. We exhale on the smoke. Yeah, yeah. And I think to myself, goddamn. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. She's cool to me. She cool to me. She cool to me, yeah. She where I want to be, yeah. I don't need nothing else, no.
So now I'm just switching up the nails, and I'm keeping it in there for 90 seconds. So 60 seconds first, and then 30 seconds after that.
That's all I want to do. Nothing else matters. Nothing matters to me.
So I'm also doing a second coat. It's not entirely necessary, I guess. I like to do them just because I want to make sure that my nail is completely covered and nothing is not covered. And we're just gonna keep switching out the nails in the UV lamp, and remember to put it in for 90 seconds. And when all of that is done, it's time for your top coat, and just put it back in there again for another 90 seconds, and then you're pretty much done. So you do want to make sure that you're feeling your nails, because if your nails don't feel completely smooth and slick and they feel just like a little tiny bit sticky, you want to just go ahead and put it back in there for another 90 seconds just to bake it longer. So now I'm taking the nails off the stands when they're all done and baked, and I'm taking a cotton ball and some alcohol, because just like the nail salon, we're going to wipe down all of our nails, and that's just what you see me doing right here. So sometimes, depending on how you polish your nails, sometimes you will have excess gel hanging over your nail, and all you have to do is just take a file and file it off. So I highly recommend buffing out your real nails. You don't necessarily have to do this and the first step, I don't think, but I wanted to do both just because I want extra security. I want these nails to last me as long as they can. And the glue I'll be using is Crazy Glue. It is a super glue. You guys do not have to use the glue that I'm using. So I know you guys are like, so we're about to put super glue on our nails, and you guys don't have to, but I am, because I want my nails to last, and from my experience, this has really helped my nails last. So all I'm doing is putting a small dot in the middle of my nail, and I'm kind of swirling it around, and then I put it on my finger. You want to make sure that you're not putting too much, or else it will leak on the sides of your nails. But if that happens, then I'm going to show you guys what to do. And then I'm just pressing it down. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the nail glue stuck to my finger. Again, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it if that does happen to you. And so yeah, you guys can just watch me and do what I do.
When the moon goes up and the stars come out, girl, yeah, best believe I'll be around when the sun comes up and the moon goes down.
So if you got super glue all over your cuticles and your nails like I did, don't trip, girl, don't worry. Just take a Q-tip and some acetone and just wipe it away. That's it.
And now I gotta go. I hate to have to leave, baby, gotta handle business. I'll be back before you know it.
And for the final step, because I don't have cuticle oil, I'm taking just some olive oil and a Q-tip, and I'm just rubbing that all on my cuticles just to give it that nice salon finish.
Trapped up in those walls and worried about the time.
Oh, and I also put on some lotion too. And this is the finished product, you guys. What do you think?
Morning, and I wouldn't have it any.
And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's a really, really great way to save some money and to stay in the house and still be able to have your nails done. I really like press-ons, and I'm going to continue to use these. So I hope that this works for you as well. If you do go ahead and try my method or try this, you know, try anything from this video, please let me know in the comments. I would love to see how it turned out for you. And yeah, you guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.